Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to tackle a question that many of you business owners might be asking yourselves. How do I link my website to Setmore? Now, if you're like me, you're always looking for ways to streamline your business and make things easier for your clients. And Setmore is a fantastic tool for appointment scheduling and management. But how do you connect your website to Setmore so that your clients can book appointments directly? Well, I'm glad you asked, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of linking your website to Setmore. But before we get started, let's take a quick look at why you might want to link your website to Setmore. There are a few reasons why this can be beneficial. It makes it easier for your clients to book appointments with you. It helps you to keep track of your appointments in one place. It can save you time and money by automating the appointment booking process. Now that we know the benefits, let's get started with the tutorial. Step 1. Sign up for a Setmore account. If you don't already have a Setmore account, you'll need to create one. This is a free account, so you don't have to worry about any costs. Step 2. Go to your Setmore settings. Once you've created your account, log in and go to your settings page. Step 3. Click on Booking Page. On the Settings page, click on the Booking Page tab. Step 4. Copy your booking page URL. On the booking page, you'll see your booking page URL. Copy this URL. Step 5. Go to your website. Now that you have your booking page URL, go to your website. Step 6. Add a link to your booking page. There are a few ways to add a link to your booking page on your website. One way is to add a button. Another way is to add a hyperlink to some text. Step 7. Paste your booking page URL. Once you've added a link to your website, paste your booking page URL into the link field. Step 8. Save your changes. Once you've pasted your booking page URL, save your changes. That's it. You're now done linking your website to Setmore. Your clients can now book appointments with you directly from your website. Here are a few additional tips for linking your website to Setmore. Make sure that your booking page is easy to find on your website. Use a clear call to action to encourage your clients to book appointments. Customize your booking page to match the look and feel of your website. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.